Students, kindly take out Standard 5 Social Studies book, Chapter 3, page number 20. Students, see, this is the picture of life in the frigid zone. Let's continue the chapter. These areas are lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. Height above the sea level, altitude. The height of a place above sea level is called the altitude of that place. Hill stations such as Simla, Nainital, Uti, even in summers. On other hand, the mountains or most peaks of Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year, even during summers. The higher we go, the cooler it gets, or the temperature decreases as the height of the land increases. For example, Dehradun and Mussoorie both are not far away from each other but differ in temperature because of their altitude or height. Distance from the sea. Places near the sea are neither too hot nor too cold because of the sea breeze coming from the sea. During the daytime, the water and land both gets heat up by the sun, but land absorbs more heat than water. Therefore, the warm air above the land rises. The cool air from the sea takes its place. This is called sea breeze. Students, see, this is the picture of sea breeze. Warm, return flow, cool. At night, land cools down more quickly than the sea. The air above the sea warmer and rises up. The cool air from the land takes its place. This is called land breeze. Students, see, this is the picture of land breeze. So, this is why the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. For example, Mumbai, situated on the coast of the Arabian Sea, while Delhi is away from the sea. So, Mumbai has a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. Think and answer. Write true T or false F. 1 number. The weather determines the clothes we wear and food we eat. True. Number 2. The climate of a place changes every day. False. Number 3. The torrid zone have very cold climate. False. 4 number. Direct sun rays fall on the equator. False. Number 5. Altitude is the distance of a place from the equator. False. Direction of the wind. The climate of a place gets affected by the type of wind. Winds influence the weather of a place depending on the place of their origin. The winds coming from cold regions like the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea decrease the temperature of India, whereas the winds coming from hot region like Third Desert increase the temperature of Delhi and make it hot during summers. Humidity. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. It affects the climate of a place. Humidity of a place is related to its distance from the sea. If a place is near to the sea, it would be more humid. The wind coming from the sea carries a lot of water vapors. When the wind becomes cooler, the water vapor turn into clouds and they fall down in the form of rain. For example, Mumbai and Chennai are more humid cities than Delhi. Students, humid means marked by a relatively high level of water vapor in the atmosphere. Keywords: weather, condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Atmosphere, the layer of the air around the earth. Climate, average weather conditions. Humidity, the amount of moisture in the air. Altitude, height above the sea level. Thank you, students.